Hello. We're going to be looking at fractions today, and on the board you may have noticed that there are 3 different fractions, each with a different denominator. Now you're going to be expected to be able to compare these fractions. You might be asked to put the fractions in order from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest. But the way we do that, to make it very easy for ourselves, is make sure that the denominators are the same in every fraction. At the moment you can see that each fraction has a different denominator. We've got 2 thirds, 7 ninths and 13 eighteenths. So the bottom numbers here, the denominators are all different. So to make them the same, we've got to figure out a common multiple of all of these numbers. Now, by looking at this, I know that 18 appears in the 3 times table. I know that 18 also appears in the 9 times table. And obviously 18 appears in the 18 times table. So therefore I know that 18 is a common multiple between all of these fractions. Now that I know that, I can just change these fractions so that they have the same denominator as this one. And the way I do that is to start with the first one. I've got to change 2 thirds so that the bottom number is 18. So the denominator is 18. So what do I need to do to the bottom number here, the denominator, to get to 18? I need to multiply 3 by 6. Okay? So because I've multiplied the bottom number here by 6, I have to multiply the top number by 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? So I've now changed my first fraction. The second fraction here is 7 ninths, but again, I've got to change my denominator to 18. It's currently 9. I know that 9 times 2 is 18. And because I multiplied the bottom number by 2, the denominator by 2, I have to multiply the top number by 2. I know that 7 times 2 is 14. And finally, I don't do anything at all with this last fraction because the fraction already has a denominator of 18. Okay. So if I'm being asked to arrange these fractions from smallest to largest, it's now very easy for me. I can see that the smallest fraction here is this one because there's only 12 eighteenths. The second smallest, or the middle one, is here, 13 eighteenths, and the largest fraction is 14 eighteenths, which is this one here. So this would be the smallest, this would be the middle, and this would be the largest fraction.